Somebody come in and start talk. What I want? What salt? Me can't season meat and taste it, sir. Me not like it. Maybe it sick me.
I can put in it. I can put in it for me when you get it. But I just put in it if you see it cook down now.
So much Maggi all purpose did you buy?
Me buy? Yeah, come on.
Andre party tomorrow. So it's like a runner bean, so I'm a season up this curry chicken and pork. And we go kick soup and something. Few pork lovers.
Yeah. Well seasoned now. Ginger everything.
Andre cutting and you don't ever see so much, but they go to YouTube and then things so.
Till it's fresh.
No show nothing on it till they cook.
Yeah, when you put it in.
They never can maybe your mouth. So you not eat them from morning. Alright, me I tell him. So we have pepper, salt and all of that. The knife they cut Andre on. And I him sharp meat, you know. So just think about it. Him sharp meat. It's happening machete? We catch far type, but not much. Nobody not come out.
Go see if it go.
Yeah, go see if it go up on my channel so people can watch it.
So people are here for them?
Yeah, if you want somebody come out.
How that? Hey, what?
Zachary, me go beat you. Why you this stone Paris? You me beat you, Zachary?
Yeah, Zachary use left hand.
Eh? You me beat you? Oh? Yeah, me go beat Zachary. See the Andre, the season up for curry chicken and pork. Right. You finish season for pork?
Pork. This one I like, me eat with pork. Look. This.
With the fat?
No,
yeah.
Here.
Cause they not clean up it pig good. Remember say what they want me buy soup, you know? What kind of soup me buy?
Cow skin.
Cow skin soup. It is still like that. Just a small clip. I'm going any live now. No. I'm going to go live tomorrow when we're done saying our party.
Yeah, that's a good.
Sam, you don't eat pork. You're not Christian. Ain't Sam? You're not Christian. Christian don't eat pork. Me, you still got church, so we figure say, you're Christian. Alright, see, curry, yes. Me like the curry season up, you know. That say a lot. Christian must not eat pork. Or that then say. Christian don't eat pork. Pork tastes better than chicken to me, you know. What do you think?
It depends on who cook it.
Who cook it? So if you cook it, which one tastes better than which?
Chicken tastes better. Chicken one.
See, Andre had the cut. So exactly. So you know, we eat pig, but you can't eat chicken. She should only eat grunt, you know. How many so? No pig.
That means you love it then. If you don't eat only grunt, you love it.
So what, Sam? Which part name grunt? Me no know. Me just learn something new. Which part name so?
Yeah, man, no more fresh for me. See. Can't take one more curry yet.
Oh, the nose. So really? But me not see difference. He grunt and nose up. This so. Me think he grunt like the pig name so. You think I like that? All finished? It's time I need to start upload some makeup tutorials. Or some workout video or something. For your channel. Can you just start YouTube and just put up one video? I don't understand.
Alright, when they said I put nature in the next one, I'm put one more on purpose.
Oh, when you cook, you go put in the rest of the curry?
Yeah. Got some of my curry off the bun.
Oh yeah, so my curry have to burn.
You look white, you freak though, fine.
I want more curry. But you say you put in and I cook it tomorrow. I'm gonna go live tomorrow. Before. Girl, not talk. Me there, me the try lose weight and every. Feel like some try lose weight to see today. Oh God, man. Today me gonna be. Feel like me go drop down. Cause me they take out too much weight. You see, me not eat. That's why. But right now when me finish, me go blend up like spinach, almond milk, and then something there. So I need to upload on video. I'm go right now because I'm going to go like that. So later.